Powered by the world's furthest-reaching network, Iridium GO creates the first-ever reliable global connection for voice and data communications on up to 5 mobile devices. Small, rugged, and portable, it lets you keep in touch everywhere on the planet. First, set up the Iridium GO device by inserting the SIM card. Remove the battery cover with a flat blade screwdriver or a small coin. Slide the SIM card holder toward the hinges and lift to open. Insert the SIM card into the slot. Close the card holder and slide it away from the hinges to lock it. Be sure to write down your SIM and Iridium GO IMEI number located on the device label, as these will be required later to register for the Iridium mail and web applications and for a GEOS Emergency Services account. Then, install the battery. Make sure the gold battery contacts are facing down over the 4 connector contacts. Replace the battery cover and ensure the screws are firmly tightened to maintain correct water-resistant seal. Next, charge the battery. Open the USB cover and firmly plug in the USB cable. Connect the supplied USB cable to the universal AC travel charger or the car charger. When charging is complete, remove the USB cable and close the USB cover to maintain the water-resistant seal. Next, turn the device on by raising the swivel antenna to the upright position. Once raised, the device will automatically complete the power-up sequence in approximately 1 minute and will begin registration with the Iridium network. Once registered, the LED light will turn green and the signal strength icon will appear on the screen. After the screen goes dormant, press any key on the unit to reactivate it. Next, set up your smartphone for use with Iridium GO. To get access to Iridium GO services, download Iridium-optimized applications on your mobile devices. These apps include the Iridium GO app, Iridium Mail and Web, and third-party apps. The Iridium GO app enables voice calling, SMS tracking, SOS, and SMS Twitter posting. The Iridium Mail and Web app provides mail services including compressed email and photo transfer, and web services including weather forecasts, Facebook and Twitter posting, and mobile web browsing on supported sites. To obtain your free Iridium Mail and Web app account and login details, register at iridium.com/mailandweb. Third-party apps developed for use with Iridium GO will be featured on iridiumgo.com/apps. To download the Iridium apps on your iPhone, iPod, or iPad, use your device to search for them on the App Store. To download the Iridium apps on your Android smartphone or tablet, use your device to search for them on Google Play. Additional information for compatible laptop software can also be found on the iridiumgo.com/apps webpage. Next, pair Iridium GO with your smartphone or tablet. To begin, go to the Wi-Fi settings and ensure that your Wi-Fi function is enabled. With the Iridium GO device on, select the Iridium GO Wi-Fi network and connect. An example of a typical name for an Iridium Wi-Fi network is Iridium-6088CC. It is important to always confirm you are connected to your Iridium GO Wi-Fi network prior to using the Iridium GO app. Once your device is connected, you can start using the Iridium GO app with a Wi-Fi range of approximately 30 meters, depending on conditions. Remember, the Iridium GO Wi-Fi is an open network, but it can be configured with a WPA2 password for additional security. See Troubleshooting in Chapter 6 of the User Manual for details. Now, you just need to configure the Iridium GO app. To begin, press the Login button located at the bottom of the home screen to enter your username and password. The app provides a default username of guest with a password of guest. Both are case-sensitive. See the Advanced Settings section of the User Guide for more information on setting up unique user accounts. If you are prompted for a SIM PIN, enter the 4 to 8-digit SIM card PIN code provided by your Iridium service provider. The default SIM PIN is 1111 and can be modified. Be careful. Pressing the incorrect PIN multiple times will lock Iridium GO and require an unlock code. The unlock code can be provided by your Iridium service provider. The display language in the Iridium GO app is automatically selected based on the designated language of your smartphone. The Iridium GO app supports English, French, Spanish, Japanese, and Russian. Non-supported languages will simply default to English. To change the language setting on the Iridium GO device, navigate the menu and select Languages. To change the Iridium GO device language from your Iridium GO app, go to Settings, Display, then Language. The Iridium GO app's Guest User Profile provides up to 5 smartphones and tablets access to all functions within the Iridium GO device. Up to 5 smart devices can be wirelessly connected to the Iridium GO, allowing one user to make calls or access data at a time. To create or delete user profiles, edit privileges, or control access for individual users, go to the Advanced menu and select Users. For more detailed guides on the setup and use of your Iridium GO applications, visit iridiumgo.com/resources. It is important that you configure the SOS settings in order to enable emergency services. For more information on setting up GEOS and obtaining emergency assistance, refer to Chapter 4 of the Iridium GO User Manual. Now that your initial setup is complete, go to iridiumgo.com/resources to download important setup guides for your Iridium GO and Mail and Web apps to ensure you are ready to use your Iridium GO device and provided applications. After you've completed your final app setup, you will be ready to start using Iridium GO with your smartphone or tablet to connect with anyone from anywhere.